Alright guys, so we have the Abuyuan children. There's Zoe, Athen, hi Athen.
Hi.
Here's Maddie,
Hi.
Nicholas,
Aloha.
and Isabel. And they are working really hard on the coloring contest. They've all got their cruise ship pictures in front of them and they're working really hard. Now, the problem here we have, well, two problems. Two problems that we had is that Zoe's very sad. Zoe is very, very sad. Why are you sad, Zoe?
I'm sad because I can't color with my 64-pack of crayons because I'm 17 and
You're
I'm too old.
17 and you're too old because you're almost a grown-up. Okay, so Zoe's sad. That's the first problem we have. The second problem that we have is that the other four children who are working very hard. So you get your picture, Nick? He wants to find out what an actual cruise ship looks like before he colors his. Okay, the other problem is that the rest of the four children are all competing against one another. So we've got some heavy, stiff competition here in the Abuyuan household. Athen, looks like Athen's using some colored pencils. Yeah. Athen's medium of choice is colored pencils. Maddie is also doing the colored pencils. She's doing a very nice job coloring in the lines. Nick looks like he's about to use some markers. You have your picture, Nick? You know what you want to do?
Yeah.
Okay. And then Izzy has crayons. She's got crayons over here, but not... Oh, and markers. She's multi-medium. It's going to be a multi-medium 3D spectacular from Izzy. And then there's Zoe. Poor Zoe. Zoe's sad.
I'm gonna win.
You're going to win? So you're going to enter anyway?
Yeah.
Even though you're 17? Which are you going to enter? The 0 to 3, the 4 to 7, or the 8 to 15 age group?
I'll enter the 0 to 3.
Oh, okay. All you 0 to 3-year-olds, watch out because you got some stiff competition here with Zoe. All right. So they're working really hard. Everybody's working hard. And we will check back and show you the results in a little bit.